Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tingnan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this one, break an egg in reverse. We also have this in either way. We got alone in reverse. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na hindi ka nag-iisa. Okay? And if ever you're overcoming these things in your life, there's a chance for you to break free from it. Kaya siya naka-in either way. We also have this one. And we got, okay, this is actually nice kasi gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon that you will break free of the things na nag-hold back sa'yo na maging masaya. Okay? Could be another reason why you could be depressed dahil din alone kayo. So, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na magkaroon ka ng companion. Alright? At kung na-brainwash ka naman dati sa mga negative comments or compliments about you, you will not be discouraged, okay? You will find a way to overcome whatever others has placed upon you. We also have this one in reverse. We also got the quit here. Isa rin sa dahilan kung bakit ka magiging masaya kasi maalis ka sa mga maling connections. And remember na kapag yung isang connection ay nag-end, it's just mean like it's meant to happen. And we have this one, a judgment. So, darating din yung time na malalaman din yung katotohanan. And of course, justice will be served na rin. If ever, somebody could have hurt you in the past and so on, remember that God is working on behind the scenes and there will be justice in the situation. Wag lang kayo maging revengeful. Let God do whatever it is. Okay? Ipasa Diyos yun na lang. Yun na lang yung gawin nyo. And know that, things will work out in the end. Like, even if something bad happened in the past, you will recover, to be honest with you. And, napaka-strongly yung feeling ko na hindi ka nag-iisa. Yun yung message ng Panginoon sa'yo. Like, despite of all these trials, all the things that you've gone through in your life, He is there for you. Hindi ka niya pababayaan na mag-isa. Magpapadala siya ng tao sa inyong buhay so that you will not feel depressed and lonely in your life kasi mahirap din kapag mag-isa lang, diba? Lalo na pag wala kang kausap or, talagang parang nag-introvert na. Hindi rin kasi maganda yun sa mental health, okay? So, bibigyan ka ng chance ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na makaranas ng mga tao sa iyong buhay na they do care for you. And remember that if a connection didn't work out, it means it's not meant to be. So, kung sino yung mag-stay sa inyong buhay, those people are definitely given to you by heaven. Kaya sila nandyan sa iyo. So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless all of you.